Part two?
Huh?
Part two?
No, hell no, we still gotta go around.
So how often should you sharpen a blade, probably?
It depends how often you use it.
Let's say 6 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Oh, in 6 hours a day. See, it depends how much you cut.
Okay.
See, because you can be cut in 6 hours.
Yeah.
See, but out of those 6 hours, you have to lift up limbs, you have to move that and move that. So this thing run, I don't know how often you have to cut. You know, you have to cut it when it starts not cutting. See, and what you cut it right there to make it sharp is right here. That's why where it cuts right there.
So can you tell it hasn't been sharpened, or?
No, this is not too bad.
Oh.
I've seen ones that are worse.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being brand new, what's this probably?
About 5. About a fig, half and half. Okay, we left it right here.
Mm-hmm. You got it?
Yeah. You got it, Toyota. See that line in there?
Which line? Yeah.
Okay, that line is straight with it, sister. That way, so you get a straight 30 degree angle. See?
So where did you learn how to do this?
Hard way. When I had to go pay $30 for one to have it sharp, and then I saw how the guy was doing it, so I went over and bought this.
So how much was that tool?
I don't know. At that time when I got it, about $2. Right now you won't find them, I don't think so.
Maybe
Right
electric ones now?
Yeah, well, it got electric one.
So do you sharpen your kitchen knives with that?
Huh?
Do you sharpen your kitchen knives with that tool?
No, I got a special tool to sharpen the kitchen knives. Albert gave it to me, cost about $100. I got it there. I'll show it to you one of these days. See, and then if you wanna either these